You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, February 27th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 26,808.24 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.965 trillion naira, meaning that NSE-ASI depreciated by minus 0.62%. The equities market continued its bearish streak for Thursday as investors lost 86.55 billion naira. At the close of trading, the market recorded 13 gainers to 18 losers. Jais Bank PLC, Law Union and Nigerian Aviation Handling Company were top gainers, while Flour Mill, Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC and NPF Microfinance Bank were among the top losers. Zenith Bank, NB and Guarantee Trust Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.50 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 365 naira 21 kobo to a dollar, while the INE-FX rate opened at 365 naira 27 kobo and closed at 365 naira 22 kobo to a dollar. Going over to the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 700.39 basis points with a market capitalization of 503.55 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 7.393 and the value traded 4.595 million in 12 deals executed. You can also check for global commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on the screen. For the key highlights from yesterday, with a less striking outcome than the previous month, the auction of FGN bonds by the Debt Management Office last week was still a notable success. It offered 140 billion naira, raised 100 billion naira on a competitive basis, and attracted a total bid of 398 billion naira. Furthermore, marginal rates declined for all three instruments and by 110 basis points for the 5-year benchmark. The DMO collected 410 billion naira from bond sales in January and positioned itself for a maturity of about 600 billion naira earlier this month. It has a net domestic borrowing target of 745 billion naira per the approved 2020 budget. When sales is added to the proceeds from non-competitive bids, which we assume to originate from public agencies, the DMO has raised 572 billion naira from bond sales in just 2 months. It is set to supplement these proceeds with sales of sukuk, green bonds, and savings instruments. The week so far has recorded a bearish performance from the equities and at some occasions traded below 27,000 basis points score in terms of the all-share index. This trend, despite an improved Nigerian GDP report of 2.55% for Q4 2020, shows a lot has to be done to boost investor confidence and shape market activities positively. Friday bullish performance could trigger signs of improved market performance in the new week to come, even as the Nigerian Stock Exchange begins the process for demutualization. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareeng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.